ono and a bomade edi yes upon in animal from every baby a fence Indiano your friend stretch a nut na yabisano omutiri po the nam so nay or mabe pim Ghana memwasi and quadano omutira ye.
We believe in diversity, so we don't want students from only one region. So we are welcoming students from across the globe. We believe in diversity. Okay, so we don't want students from only one region. So we are welcoming students from across the globe, and especially Ghana is an English-speaking country. So students will not find difficulty. The more of the main advantage. And second point is like the diversity. So we believe in diversity, and universities have students from all across the globe now, and so that makes us to come here. And we want to fulfill the needs of the students who are looking for the higher education opportunities. So they want to go and study their degree in a good Indian institution.
Uchemwa opamaya edru baby omuso timi kasa eye professor memuda hosenwa Ghana nsedu makotini ana kwada ni biso abe na nsedu baby a yesesi kakakre benya de piepie omo emu omuso timi akosu apon awo e wo wiase kwa na nyina ya nkoma bi omuso timi po etima ba mu ya na ye tire dia wo everything and omo ni dia krono omo tira se bi omuso baby ese sampo nyina no omo timi bo omo opene ye tene nkan ni di ani suresh eye anat ono na di nsemu tuja.
Scholarships transparent. Even those who are less privileged that have found themselves in schools, no, almost apply because obi ohonoma or adrena or the no, but onya emboano. So with a scholarship, no, ebeboa no na nyankopan na dom na we nso kosua ade.
In your scholarship, na intimate transparent, na open for all students. Say nipa ko nipa bo ha wecha, but because of sikasema or the better so in the tertiary level, that's the advanced level until most otifie ebi bebre e social media platforms so amutimu say nkofo hia mo e social media. Ghana 87.9 but on sanya scholarship the 87.9
I plead on government and all stakeholders say they should create the opportunities more so that it will be accessible to everyone. Because most of the time, if you can the chance to be a venture into these courses. See, when people are given the platform, to me explore more in a way, say, about what will be.
10 year bro from one front of Kun, one with the Afra, Ghana ba uti anen wano no no kwa se de bia mo de tetetete mo ma wia mom mo ma mhumu emra no obi ansoduru otima apply yes am de akwa hye tokrom asom de tetetete na tese da bi om se nyade a ebeboa
ya fa hodwiri sem afri da homa ko no wo Asen South mesre no mo e wo mfifi mantam ento asom maami wonum chem se ne de ade akua pani na wo hwepa de a wanya mfisha no ba se aduasa ekro wonum chem se wawo abema na no ye abesa bosom mienum na asa de nyina ni mo no se abemu ade wo ne sa no a